Hey guys, Matty from Built Right here, and today we're going to be installing our bedside rack panels in our 2022 Ford Maverick. So in your Maverick bedside rack kit, you're going to get one panel, one bumper, one push rivet, and 4 M8 bolts that are going to interface with the threaded inserts in the Ford Flexbed. For this install, you're going to need a T30 TORX bit along with a 13mm socket. I'll be using our M12 impact driver to install the panel. So to start, we're going to use our T30 TORX bit and we're going to remove this tie down point that's all the way up towards the cab of the truck. You're going to need to remove the rubber grommets that are on the surface where we'll be mounting the panel. So to start, we're going to hold the panel up and get the 4 M8 bolts started. So once we get all of the M8 bolts hand tightened down, we're going to go ahead and tighten them all the way down, making sure that our bolt holes for the tie down remain lined up. And now we're ready to reinstall the tie down. Get these started by hand, and then we'll finish up with the driver. So now we're going to install our rubber bumper, and that's just to keep the panel from moving on the bedside. We're going to be installing it just behind the wheel well. And now the panel is sprung off the bedside a little bit and extremely rigid. Just a note on the passenger side, the brand tag is going to be up towards the cab wall of the truck instead of back towards the tailgate. That's just because we're using an ambidextrous panel here. It makes life a little bit easier. And with that, your Ford Maverick bedside rack panels are installed. Thanks for watching. Hit us up on social media, email, or by phone with any comments or questions. We'll see you later.